If you work in tech sales, you need to start a side income before your job might get automated. Here's the thing. If you're a BDR, SDR, or AE, you know how much AI has been improving our jobs. Through ChatGPT and Claude and Gong and different softwares allow us to really do our job more efficiently. But the reality is AI also has a way of stealing jobs, taking jobs away from people. And in this video, I want to share with you the importance of building an asset for yourself that earns you money outside your job so you can take that tech sales income and put it towards your asset and build into income for you and wealth for you that gives you a recession-proof way to build wealth. So there's three things that I suggest you do as a person working in tech sales to build wealth for yourself outside your job. This first thing is the idea of starting a YouTube channel, like me here watching this video. The reality is that YouTube is a way to be able to share your passions, your knowledge, whether it's sales or anything else, on a platform that's scalable. So one YouTube video you put in, it's like an asset that finds audiences and grows over time. And with patience and a long-term perspective, you can monetize that channel. Now I want to share with you one sales rep within tech sales that has taken the opportunity within YouTube. And this is Brian Lamada. He's an AE at Gong, top performing AE. On top of all that crushing quota, he's a 7-time President's Club winner. Even he himself knows the importance of building an asset outside of working at Gong. So you can see, you can click on here. He has on his LinkedIn, you go to his website. And also he has a YouTube channel called Close One. Pretty clever. And I know it well because I actually bought one of his courses from his YouTube channel. And once again, he's doing his day job and building that income on the side that's scalable and has that evergreen content growing for him. Great idea. So maybe thinking, hey, Ian, I'm not big into the whole video thing. No problem. The second option you can do is start a podcast. Excuse me. This is Scott Ingram. Now, he works his day job. He works as an account director. Scroll down here, we can see Relations 1. But he also has a long-standing podcast for 9 years. I actually appeared on this podcast. It's pretty cool. So he has something called the Sales Success Summit. He's leveraged that podcast to have his own personal brand and bringing a lot of income on the side for him. So maybe he loves his day job. I don't know. But he's also building for himself an asset, a brand asset. That podcast can bring in brand deals. He can sell his own products. He can do events. All these things, just posting content every week through his podcast. It's an amazing thing. Hey, real quick before we go back to the video, if you're a BDR, SDR, or AE working in tech sales and looking to level up your skills, you're looking to be able to break past the income your goals are and get to the next level of your career, you feel blocked, stuck. Well, I want to invite you to an upcoming masterclass live sales coaching training workshop I'm having this coming Monday. There's a link below to get access to it. And basically, going to walk you through how using my mindset first selling framework to be able to unlock the next income growth for your career. And so getting those commissions you're looking for, and also the promotion you're looking for. So I interest you at any level. Click the link below. Subscribe. It's for free. It's 30 minutes. This coming Monday, live coaching. Until then, let's go back to the video. Now, I know this might seem easy, and I'll get to the part where it's hard, but I just want to be able to make you understand that, excuse me, I'm coming over with a cold. The importance of having a long-term view when we do these things is seeing a long-term perspective. Like I said, this guy's doing it for 9 years. 9 years. I mean, I couldn't imagine how many opportunities he's created for himself over these 9 years simply for just creating content. Now, I press upon you the importance of doing this because, what was it? We're in 2025. So 6 years ago, when I was starting my tech sales journey, I started a podcast. And I did that for about 3 months. It was called The Top 20%. And I quit. I started another podcast and I quit. I started another podcast and I quit. I just Googled myself right here and I think it has all the podcasts I started here. So how here? Sales Reps on Fire, stop that. The Commitment to Excellence podcast, stop that. The Scale Your Law Firm podcast, don't ask you why that was. Stop that. I think I started this one, two. I started 4 podcasts and failed. If I would not have stopped that podcast, pick one of them and create content 6 years, I'd probably be a multi-millionaire right now. I probably would be. But you'll be different. You're smarter. You're gonna start and not quit. But anyway, so that's another example of creating a podcast. Great asset you can have, a scalable, law evergreen content, and excuse me, has the ability to serve people and help people. That's the key thing. Whenever you start this, a podcast or a YouTube channel, all you have to do is this: 2 things. Have a heart to serve and help people, and share your journey. So it doesn't have to be sales. It could be if you're into cooking or surfing or whatever, fitness, financial tips. It could be fitness, but something you're passionate about to talk about for 4 or 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years. That's the road to go. That's the road to go. Next is, I need some water. Next is this girl, Charlotte Johnson, also an AE at a company called Rubric, and she has her own newsletter. So the third thing is having a newsletter. With a newsletter, she's able to build up an audience, which is the key thing, an audience. And with an audience, she can monetize it whatever it should be. She could sell her own products. She could sell affiliate products. She could put advertising. It all comes from the point of serving and helping. Serving and helping. So I really suggest if you're working tech sales, it is important for you to be able to build an asset outside your job because you don't know what the tech industry could go. I know Salesforce laid off, I think 2,000 or 3,000 people. They were in customer service, but you never know what can happen. You know what I mean? I'm in tech sales and I'm using so many AI role-playing softwares and tools that I can only see at some point how our roles could be replaced because AI is getting so much more human-like. But the key is you're different. You're going to start a side hustle. And the thing is, one thing that AI cannot take away or copy or replace is you. Can't replace your experience, your passion, your values, your voice, how you speak, how you write, how you talk. It cannot replace that. So hope this video blesses you and keeps you well. And like I said, whatever you choose, pick one path and start creating and don't stop.